Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the connection timed out on Genshin Impact. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the main homepage of Genshin Impact, but there actually isn't anything to edit in the game itself or the library. Instead, you will have to either download Cloudflare Warp, which is going to be a service that helps your connection wrap up, or you're going to download a VPN. Now, my personal choice for VPN is going to be Proton, since it's an open source, it's free and direct, and you can download it instantly. So once you do so, you can have it right here. And so you can just download, get the from VPN. And so from here, you can see the free option where you can choose a medium VPN. And so once you do that, it's going to download it. And so once you have VPN on your device, it's going to look exactly like this. We're going to have it right here. And so you can just select any server you would like. So select the country that is available, that is closest to where you live, and connect to that. Once you click on it and then you click on connect, then it's going to enable it. And once you try to run the game again, then it will work. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.